Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to claim the surprise reward during the preparation phase for the upcoming Heartopia x Sanrio collaborations. So the collaborations officially start on July 17, and then right now we're in the preparation phase. And then in here you will notice a new event that called Sanrio character invitations. Just tap on this globe icon and then next just choose this Sanrio characters invitations, this one. And then in here to participate, just simply log in every day in the game and then open one puzzle piece on here. Each time you unlock a puzzle piece, you will immediately receive a surprise reward. In here for day 1, you will get this time limited exhibition pass. And then just keep in mind that you can only open one puzzle piece per day. So don't miss your daily login if you want to complete the event on time. And then after opening all 7 puzzle pieces, over 7 days you will unlock this final completion reward. You will get the building permit of My Melody Heart Wallpaper like this. I think it's so cute. And okay, next in here I want to try to open one puzzle piece. For example, I want to open this one like this, just like this. Just click on the one of the puzzle piece on here. And okay, that's it. That's all you need to do. Make sure to log in every day so you don't miss any free rewards before the Heartopia and Sanrio collaborations begins. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!